Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke Umrupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shnong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Chief Justice ke Meghalaya High Court Ajay Kumar Mittal haka khat new tarik ujilio arjar khat khandai ula Hiar Jurip ya ke jinglong jingman jong ke Shnong Airport bandup sngutu khamtam haka baya dei bat ke jingtrekam jong ke ni ka kat Liengsuin ka badon haka Shnong Umroi. Kadeiru kasin ke banengkong bau Chief Justice jong ke High Court unlai ban Jurip ya ke ni ka kat Liengsuin hadien baka ying bishar kala shim khia ban tuklar hi daladi halor ke jing penslam ban pentrekam pura ya ka tai ka kat Liengsuin ka badon haka Shnong Umroi. Haka jing keren bat kilat pathai kubor hadien ke jing Jurip ya ka kat Liengsuin Chief Justice ulai thu baka ying bishar kan sa aya karai kham hadien bakaladon ke jing mudui daka public interest litigation halor ke jing slam shaba palat ban pentrekam ya ke jing penher ya ki Liengsuin ki bawan na ki wei ki jilla shaka jilla Meghalaya.
Actually, it is just like chicken and egg story. If airlines they want to come, they want to have passengers also, and if they don't get the full load of full passengers, then they are not viable, and then they stop their operations. So, but in coming future, I am quite sure that as more and more number of aircrafts are coming with the airlines, so and potential is there. I have no doubt about it. Potential is there because of the sustainability. What I feel in journal, because of the sustainability, airlines are not interested in operating those sectors. They operate in comfortable sector. Comfortable sector means already they have their office, already they have everything intact, and they have the passengers. So whenever any airlines brings any new aircraft, they operate in that sector. So always new sector takes time for the development. But the time has come, especially for the northeast region. More and more airlines are attracting. I am getting more and more inquiries how we can come and operate in northeast region. And there are few other issues also, like availability of the skilled manpower. They need locally the skill and the availability of the skilled manpower is not there. They need to bring skilled people from outside. If we bring skilled people from outside, then it is costly for them. So we are also in a process that we train and we provide the air related skill to the local people, and soon we will be starting 1 or 2 center in Guwahati. And so with that availability, the airlines will become more and more feasible. Business will become more and more feasible for them, and I think in coming future I can see in a few months you will definitely find more and more aircrafts coming here. See, as far as in coming 1 year or so, whatever is needed for an airlines to operate here, that all infrastructure we have here, so there is absolutely no issue. But the point is they should get complete package. They should be comfortable coming here, and they should have more and more number of aircrafts. So in future I can definitely see whenever there is addition of the new aircraft, more and more aircraft will come here, which you can witness Guwahati airport every day new flights are coming. Once the Guwahati airport that operation, that chunk is over, then definitely they will look for another airports like Imphal, Agartala, Silchar and Shillong. They all will start coming over here. Yeah. Indigo is very much interested. They want to come over here. Again, I have told you they have other options, other comfortable options. So whenever somebody has to take any decision, so they go for the comfortable options. But slowly, when those comfortable options are over, then definitely they will be coming to and touching to these places. You can very well see a number of new airports coming into the India in Indian sector. So this is all potential is there, that I know potential is there. So slowly as airlines will grow more, they will become more and more comfortable, and they will become, as they are completing their operations and business in other airports, definitely they will look forward for these airports, and to make them financially feasible. We are also planning, in fact not planning, we are about to implement cargo facilities also at almost all the airports in Northeast region. Cargo facilities means we have to comply cargo facilities with Bureau of Civil Aviation Security and DGCA. So it is not easy that if you want to send a cargo from any aircraft to any airport to any place, you can send it as it is. No, it is, we cannot send it as it is. There are norms. There has to be a separate terminal, but we are committed to invest as much as possible, and we are committed even if some farmer wants to send say 5 kg of some green vegetable from here to other part of the country or even the world, we will provide all the infrastructure in coming future. Infrastructure means there has to be a one separate dedicated X-ray machine which cost more than 50 lakhs. That also we will provide.
Okay,
so these all things will make airliners more and more comfortable, because whenever airline is operating without cargo, that means some part of their belly is just perished. They are not able to utilize that. If we provide the cargo facilities, then they will be taking cargo also along with them. That will add to their profit. We have already got that license. That is what I am telling. 3C I already got.
You got it.
Yeah, we got it on 24th of May, I guess.
Okay.
May. Yeah. It's
So
a
when
June,
is the
yeah.
installation?
No, we have got 3C. We now 3C category aircraft. If some airlines want to operate, they can operate. It is a very big thing for this airport.
Okay.
And
So what type of aircraft
we have
can
Q400, that aircraft can land, and few more. And that is being now told to all the airlines. We are writing to all the airlines that if you want to operate 3C category aircraft, we have got the license, and you can make your plan and schedule, and you can come out. So I'm quite hopeful. Maybe Indigo or SpiceJet, they can come and operate here.